In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an expense for employee reimbursement in your financial software. Managing expenses efficiently is crucial for keeping your business finances in order, and understanding this process can make your bookkeeping much smoother. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Purchases section on the left sidebar of your software interface. This is your starting point for tracking and managing all purchase-related transactions. Once there, you'll notice an option called Expenses. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can view, edit, and add new expense entries. It's a hub that keeps all your expenses neatly organized. Now, in the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a button labeled Plus New. This is what you'll click to start entering a new expense. By clicking this button, you open up a new form that allows you to input all the necessary details related to your expense. Once you have the form open, you'll need to decide which account the expense will be recorded under. In the Expense Account dropdown, choose Employee Reimbursement or any other account that fits the nature of your expense. This step is important as it ensures that the expense is categorized correctly, which is vital for accurate financial reporting. Next, move on to inputting the amount of the expense. Enter the precise figure in the amount field. Be careful to double-check this number to prevent any discrepancies later on. Afterward, you need to specify from which account you are making this payment. Look for another drop-down menu labeled Paid Through. Click on it and select the appropriate account you're using to pay this expense. The accuracy of this step helps in maintaining a clear and accurate trail of transactions, especially during financial audits or reviews. Now that the main details are filled in, there may be additional fields on the form. These could include fields like the date of the transaction, the vendor or employee the reimbursement is for, or any relevant notes. It's always a good idea to fill in as much information as possible to create a complete record of the transaction. Finally, once you are satisfied with the details you have entered, don't forget to click Save. This action ensures that all the information you've added is stored securely within the system and can be retrieved whenever necessary. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully recorded an expense for employee reimbursement. Mastering this process helps keep your financial records up to date and accurate, fostering smoother day-to-day financial management. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you.